There's not much we can do around the ankle, but for old ankle injuries, you'll see that clients will have scar tissue within the most commonly pulled ligaments. So it's really good to get in there and work them out. The best thing to do to start with, without you applying any lotion or wax, is to do skin rolling, which is a connective tissue work. So try and get a bit of skin there. So you get your roll and lift that roll right over the ankle joint, right across to the inside. So you're picking up the skin and the connective tissue and seeing how free it is. And it parts it from the tendons, ligaments, muscles underneath it. If they've got an old injury, you might find as you're going across it feels quite free, and you get to a spot which feels a lot tighter, and you can just move that tissue around and try and free it up underneath. Okay, so that's your skin rolling. Then we're going to do some circular frictions around the malleoli. So we've got the lateral malleolus here. So we're just working all the way around there. Circular frictions. So we're covering all those ligaments that could have been damaged in an old sprain. This ligament here, the ATFL, goes from the lateral malleolus to the talus here. That's an old injury. We can do corrective frictions on top. So all you're doing is using your friction technique along the length of the muscle, length of the ligament. You can also do transverse frictions. You can do the same technique but go across. It just helps to break up the tissue